One of the most commonly asked questions to me is, what is my animal's favorite activity? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. In many of the communications that I have with animals, one of the commonly asked questions is, what is my animal's favorite activity? Oftentimes, we as humans think that our animals also think like us. They may have activities like we love and a specific thing that they really love to enjoy. And we expect such answers from our animals, and there's nothing wrong with it. There are a few animals who may specifically mention certain things that they absolutely love and enjoy. But in my experience, most of the animals are extremely grounded, present, and in the moment. They don't live in the past, or they don't get stuck onto that one thing that they have really enjoyed. On the contrary, they look for things that they enjoy every day, and they find pure joy and happiness in the most mundane of things that we may consider as mundane. So for them, it's really exciting. But when we think about it, we may feel like, why would they enjoy this? But that's not how they think. In a lot of cases, I've heard animals really enjoy simple things like human companionship. This doesn't mean that you have to constantly give them attention, constantly play with them. They just like being around their humans because we are their anchors, we are their safe spaces, just the way they become our safe spaces. And even we enjoy their company, isn't it? If someone asks me what's my most favorite thing to do, undoubtedly it's to spend time with my loved ones, which are my family members and my animals too, so that they also look at it that way. And in a lot of cases, they will mention that they love, enjoy spending time with their family. Another thing they enjoy is engaging with their humans, not just physically in play, but also emotionally and mentally. So, playing mental stimulation games, enrichment games with them, even if it is for a few minutes, for a few moments in the day, but undivided attention to them, which is just your time with them. That is something that they really enjoy. Sometimes it could be sweet things like sharing your food, even if it is a small bite, because they find that you share your love with them like that. If your animals are foodies, they'll definitely enjoy that. Sometimes just passively engaging with them. So you need not again constantly give them attention. Sometimes just being around you, lazing around you while you are doing your work, watching television, reading something is absolutely the most joyful thing for them. One of my dogs I have, he absolutely is a cuddle bug. He will constantly come nudge you, and he will want to be petted and hugged and kissed. Whereas my other dog, she just likes being physically present around. So she doesn't want me to constantly talk to her or touch her, but she's someone who will always be around me. She'll always be in the vicinity wherever I am, and she'll observe everything that I'm doing. She understands every shift of energy that I have. If I'm unwell, her behavior changes. If I'm happy, her behavior changes. If I'm stressed, she will show it to me through her behavior. And that's something that she thoroughly enjoys. So if you really want to know what your animal loves the most, their favorite activity, just sit with them and ask them. They may not tell you directly in words as we speak, but through consistently showing it through their behavior, they will let you know what they enjoy. And trust me, you already know it. You don't need a communicator to tell you what your animal loves and enjoys. It's just ensuring that you accept it wholeheartedly without doubting yourself, and give them more of it because they genuinely do enjoy it. So if you know your animal's favorite activity, please do mention it in the comment section below. It doesn't have to be grand, it just has to be something that brings them pure joy and happiness. So do mention it in the comment section so that we can all learn from each other and know more about each other. And until the next video, bye bye.